I just can't wait to see what it looks like at the end.
Hi everyone, and welcome to our craft pack tutorial. I'm so excited to show you all what we do. So as you can see, we have our two mini models here checking out all the bits that they have to play with. So let's go step by step showing you what to do. Step 1, let's paint. So as you can see, the girls are busy painting. They are currently painting their jewelry box and their picture frames, and they are having a super fun time, fully getting involved and stuck into it. Included in the craft pack is 6 paint colors to choose from. We only picked 3. So we picked red, pink and yellow, and they are looking fantastic. If you haven't purchased one of our craft packs, you can buy them on our website. The information will be posted below. Our craft packs are full of everything you need to make your own rose items.
I enjoy painting because it just lets me express my feelings, and that means I can just be creative.
Step 2, let's add some roses. So make sure there's enough glue on those roses, and when drying, lay them flat. Step 3, add your crystals. As you can see, I chose blue crystals with my pink roses. Get creative and have fun.
This is mine, and this is how mine turned out to be. I put little sparkles all on it, and it made it really nice.
So that's it, guys. That is how you make your rose jewelry box and your rose picture frame. And don't they look fantastic? Well done to the girls for working hard. Mum vs kids, and we did it. Stay posted for our next video where we'll be making our rose mirrors and our rose boxes. Follow us or subscribe. Just stay posted. You don't want to miss our giveaways and all the deals we have coming.